In today's day and age, when what marriage stands for and the meaning of commitment is constantly changing, here comes a couple that is an inspiration and definition of endless love.
Shakuntala and Debikant.
Ready to renew their vows and show the world what their love is truly made of. A golden couple celebrating their golden jubilee. Sugar is proud to present Shakuntala as a sugar bride, a true example of timeless beauty.
Hi guys, I'm Megha and I'm a professional makeup artist. So my sugar bride of the day is classic, retro and also elegant. Their love stories aged like fine wine and they've been married for 50 years guys. Can you believe it? 50 years?
So I always had that someday I would like to give, say thank you to my parents.
Because we want to show our kids what 50 years of companionship looks like.
Join us in a trip down memory lane. Witness how the golden couple held each other through every step in their life's journey and became an example for generations to come on patience, commitment, and boundless love.
So let's go give her dream makeover.
Not unlike them, makeup and skincare have also evolved over the years. When there was beauty in kachra, a subtle kajal and some natural blush evident for every bride to be,
पतली दुबली एकदम थी ना 42 kilos weight था.
we presented Shakuntala with an entire range of sugar cosmetics to make that Sangeet look even more special and complement her own sense of glorious beauty. Subtle but spectacular. A makeover that couldn't have been possible then was made possible now with sugar.
Shakuntala और देविकांत.
मैं भी लिखी हूँ देखिए
देविकांत.
देविकांत यहाँ लिखा हुआ.
एक्चुअली हमारे शादी का भी बहुत बड़ा कहानी है. हम तैयार नहीं थे शादी के लिए, लेकिन मेरे फादर बोले जो नहीं तुम्हारे बहन की भी शादी करना है और दोनों शादी एक साथ कैसे करें, तो हमको फिर सरेंडर करना पड़ा और बोले ठीक है. और हम देखे नहीं थे इनको शादी, बोले ना ये हमको देखी थी ना हम इनको देखे थे.
Those beautiful eyes, retro hairstyle, eye-catching bindi. For the final reception makeover, we recreated the OG Shakuntala bridal look to the best of our abilities. And of course, icing the final look with a modern touch and some sugar.
There is a mutual respect for each other's strengths. We hope to replicate that in our relationships.
And this is a small way of our showing our appreciation for all the things they have done in our lives and for all the sacrifices they have done.
We thank the family for letting us be a part of this eternal love story. Here is a token of love, a sugar bridal box for our golden bride. Truly, there is no gender or age for skincare. We presented the Groom too with a Quench Botanics Korean skincare hamper made up of skin-loving natural ingredients. And how could we forget about the lovely bridesmaids? Some sugar for our sugar bride tribe. Finally, Sugar Cosmetics Vanity Hamper, full of sugar for our amazing makeup artist Megha.
It was great working with Sugar Cosmetics and also my sugar bride. I love creating both the looks on her and I hope she liked it too. And they had such a beautiful love story. It was so heartwarming. I hope we all find that kind of a relationship someday.
We wholeheartedly wish the couple and send our love for many more anniversaries to come. Their love has inspired us. We hope it did the same for you. As did our other beautiful sugar brides this season. Each with unique personalities, heartwarming marriage stories and bridal makeovers.